Okay, what up, DJ? So this is a quick tutorial how to get your mixes into the server. So what we use is the FTP FileZilla. So you're going to want to go to FileZilla, and then you're going to want to download FileZilla client, all platforms. If you have Windows, do not download this. Make sure you download the client. Okay, so once you download the client, then you're going to install it, and then you're going to open it. So then you're going to go to the icon right up here. It should be the little three manager site right above the host. So you just click that, and then it'll pull up the site manager. So you're going to want to click new site before you do anything. That's going to unghost this area. Then in the general tab, you're going to put the host ghost.radio.co. You're going to make sure your encryption is only use plain FTP. The log the logon type is going to be normal. The user will be this number here, which I'll send that to you, and then I'll also send you the password. So then you're going to go to advanced next, and then in the default remote directory, you're going to type in slash track slash mix show. Okay, and just make sure this is on default, and then you're going to hit connect. So once you hit connect, it's going to connect to the station, and then it's going to pop up all of the DJ folders. So you find your folder, and then you drag in your mix to your folder, and that's basically how that works. So it should look like this when you go into your folder. It should only have one file in your folder. If you have two files in your folder, you're not doing it right. So, and it should be your show title, Project Groove, and then it should read .mp3. And then that's how your folder should look. Now, when you're going to go ahead and do your next week's mix and install the show, so what we're going to do is, let's say you're done for this week, and shows should be in the system by Wednesday the following week. So myself and Ice, our assistant PD, can go through the shows and make sure everything is in there correctly, so you guys can air on the weekends. So for an example, DJ Lynch for Mashup Mondays. So this is how it would work: your previous show for the previous week, and then your current show for the new show for this week. You're just going to drag it in, and then it's going to say the target file already exists. That's what you want it to say, and then you're going to want to overwrite it. So that overwrites it. Then you just click OK. It's going to transfer, overwrite your last show, and then your new show will be in your folder. So that's how you upload your mix shows to the server, and then it'll go in. Then it goes to your playlist on the station. So your mix show name of your file needs to stay the same. Don't change it up. So whatever you decide your show to be, it needs to stay that. It doesn't need to say mix 1, mix 2. Doesn't need to have the date on there. It needs just to say your mix show name, and then in the file itself, you're going to want to have your Twitter handle in the file, so that when it plays on air, that it's going to retweet, and notify you that your song is playing. So that's how you upload the file or your mix to FileZilla. All right.